Max was so much better. Okay, so out here we're going to follow along. Let me see how slow it should go. A couple people out there. All right, so I'll kind of go a little faster because it could be tedious if it's way too long. But just so you've seen this. So searching for BYOB, you'll come to this site called Build Your Own Blocks. And again, I actually have a video on this process as well. There's a whole video on getting started. It walks through exactly what I'm showing. But you go to Build Your Own Blocks. There's this new version Snap, which is not quite compatible with our toolkit yet, so I can't quite move the new version. That's all web-based, and it's faster, much faster than BYOB. But you scroll down, BYOB old version downloads, and you pull down. What is it for the current version, blah blah blah. So you get the Windows installer, the Macintosh version. So you get BYOB essentially. The next thing you would do is search for game blocks. Probably my last name or something. And the URLs are in the video too, which makes it a little bit easier to get to. So you basically end up at this site, newlifeinteractive.com, which is kind of my alter ego. This day and age, everybody needs an LLC to pretend they're a corporation. So that you can find basically the library here. And this is a bunch of blocks that you would download. I click on it, it brings down a zip file, and has a bunch of stuff in it. So I'm going to stop there. This basically, the video that's online, the main thing I kind of want to get to is that there's tons of these videos. So this getting started video here will actually do what I just did, and then take you to the next step of importing those specific blocks into the tool. What I'm going to do instead is take you straight to the template that I created, which actually already has the blocks in it. Makes a little quicker starting point. So this is the 4 hours of video I was talking about and the library of blocks. You would basically launch BYOB. I already have it installed, but if you install BYOB on your platform, you launch it, and then you can pull in that library, or I'm going to show you right now. So the template I've got, I'll put it in a nicer place eventually, but right now it's just the URL. So it's this URL. You guys read that? Is it too small? /quest. Simply that. So newlifeinteractive.com/miss/quest template quest_template.zip. And if you type that in, of course it disappears. So it should have just come down. Yeah, somehow it unpacks it for you. It's kind of pleasant when it unpacks it. So basically, if you've installed BYOB, you download that, it'll load it in. It's going to take a minute to initialize. This is the slowness of BYOB that's gone away in Snap that I'm hoping to move to soon. But it takes a while to load all this code and get it built out. But I'll basically do a quick run through of this template to show you what's there, so you guys know, if it's going to be useful to you or not. And it's probably going to be enough. I don't want to take you too step by step. In class, we do a certain set number of tutorials. There's like 2 class periods where we actually build something out block by block, so everybody learns the concepts. But like I said, the videos are pretty thorough, thorough enough to put you to sleep every night. But it'll show you every little nuance you need to know to actually use this stuff. Okay, so I'll just run through the quests. Might as well just play it and show you what's in the template. Play. Essentially, you can move the character around. There's an inventory section. So down here, I haven't put a background in for it, but you can grab an item and try to use it. If you don't do anything you're supposed to with it, it just pops back. If you go put it in lava or something, it might be destroyed. So anyway, you can move around. There's a character here. Now, notice there's 2 variables. Remember those pink things in the diagram that I showed? the key variables in this particular template are just two things. One is the quest you're on. So a quest has several stages, right? Getting the quest, waiting for you to do it, your reward for getting it done, etc. So it shows you. You don't have to show these variables. I'm just showing them for illustrative purposes. It shows you what state you're in. So this character is waiting to meet the player. We haven't found the ruby yet, so the ruby is the other state we care about. So if you click on this character, you get some kind of a quest delivered to you. You're kind of at the mercy of BYOB in terms of where that bubble of text shows up. So now we're in a new state, waiting for the ruby. So if you click on her now, she plays a different patch of dialogue, line of dialogue. And just plays the same one every time, nothing random there. But so she's in a new state. So the quest is in this middle state where it's waiting for you to do something. You hit the door, there's some code that shows how to go to a new location. Basically just hides and unhides things. And then here's the ruby you're supposed to find. So move around here. I've got code in to click on it to pick it up, or you can bump into it to pick it up. So you've got the ruby, you come back. Again, pretty simple quest. And now you can use the ruby. Character drop on character, and she reacts to it, and then plays. This basically just plays a cutscene. Nothing too profound about the writing, but you get a reward. So she gives you an item, shows up in your inventory, and so essentially this kind of just shows you how with this set of blocks, this toolkit, to put these things together. Add something to the inventory, take something away from the inventory, wait for a certain state. So now we're in the fourth state of a quest. Click on her. She has some random lines she plays. She played that line. So just kind of picks a line out at random. And that's it. So